So this is the second very bad monster snowstorm just happened again. February 23rd today. This thing happened overnight, starting Sunday night. Today is Monday. Venturing out, so that has fallen everywhere. Look at these trees. It's like probably like 15 inches has fallen today in New York City. It looks pretty beautiful right now. It hasn't frozen up. It's all fluffy snow. It's still snowing. I'm walking on 79th Street. So the roads are cleaned up. This snow trucks, removals, they have been constantly making rounds, cleaning up places.